Hey, yo, recuse all them mother. Yo, what up? This your boy K-Biz TV. Y'all saw that thumbnail, right? I know I'm petty. I'm a little bit petty. I put every last judge in Fulton County on the thumbnail because yesterday, July 2nd, was crazy. It was motion mania yesterday, all right? And I wanted to go ahead and just dive into this real quick because, yo, this is very, very important when it comes to this YSL trial. Now, remember, the trial is on pause. Why is it on pause? Because your boy Slimeville, right? Your boy Slimeville had to back on up like a U-Haul truck because the people said, hey, the Supreme Court said, hey, man, you cannot rule against your own motion, all right, to recuse. So he released the transcripts. Everybody was reading about. Everybody and their mama, including me, I didn't stream, but I video recorded reading the transcript. I wanted to go word by word, and I appreciate everybody who rocked out and actually read it with me, yo. I appreciate y'all, okay? But I'm telling you right now, read the transcript verbatim, and there was a few things in there that didn't sit well with everybody, okay? So it was a few things, a few things. It didn't sit well with everybody. You feel me? So I'm going to make another video about some of the things that may have appeared to be redacted, if you will. However, what do we have here today? All right. Your boy Doug Weinstein said, hey, man, I got another motion. I want to recuse every last judge in Fulton County. All right. Now, remember the last video that I mentioned about that we talked about Glanville, and we reviewed that video of him. It's a 26-minute video where he actually talked about the actual ex parte meeting. The whole thing is now finally about to be someone else who's going to actually review and look at everything. But we thought it was going to be Judge Belinda Edwards, and it was. For a minute, it was. But what did she do? She pulled out and said, you know what? Y'all can have it. Y'all can have it. I don't want to be a part of none of this. So they pass it on to somebody else. And let's see who else they pass it on. Let's go ahead and blow it up. It says here, look at this. Fulton County Superior Court e-file date July 2nd, 2024 at 5:11. All right. In Superior Court of Fulton County, State of Georgia versus everybody. All right. What is this? Order requiring written response to recusal motions. Says this case is before this court to consider motion recuse Chief Judge Ural Glanville Schlimeville from further handling of the above captioned case, 2 defendants and counsel for a witness. Specifically, the motions before the court are defendant Diamante Kendrick motion to recuse Chief Judge Ural Glanville filed on June 12th. Defendant Jeffrey Williams motion to disqualify recuse Chief Judge Glanville from all further dealings in the above referenced case on June 17th. June 12th, 5 days later, June 17th. Non-party Kayla Bumpus in motion to recuse this court filed June 14th, 2024. Time is of the essence, given that a jury trial is currently paused pending resolution of these recusals. What does that mean? Right there, that means, hey, we got some jurors that have paused their life essentially because of this case. Time is of the essence. Time is of the essence. I'm gonna need y'all to give me the motions real quick. I need to read over all of them. I need to get down to business. I need to stand on business. All right. So time is of the essence. There is a jury trial on pause. That means that the jurors are waiting until this case is back up and running. That means that the jurors are chilling. They're not at work. They can't go back to work. They gotta wait until this trial continues. All right. Let's go ahead and go. So it says here, therefore, the court hereby orders the state to file a written response to the pending recusal motions on or before 5 p.m. Monday, July 8th. She ain't wasting no time. I want this in front of me by July 8th, on or before 5 p.m. July 8th. That's Monday. Contemporaneously with filing, the state shall provide a courtesy copy of any filings by email to the court's litigation manager at, and then that's the email address, is so ordered this second day of July 2024, the Honorable Rachel Krause, Fulton County Superior Court, Atlanta Judicial Circuit. Okay, so what is that saying here? She said, look, I'm gonna need y'all to give me these motions on or before July 8th, 5 o'clock. All right. And so I'm going to review these things. I'm going to make sure that we are up to par. Okay. I'm going to make sure that we are doing what we supposed to do. Hold up. He said, hold up. Look at it, bam. That boy said, look here. He said, this is a motion to disqualify Fulton County Superior Court judges. Woo! He said, I want all of y'all gone. He said, I want everybody gone. Superior Court judges, all of them gone, from ruling on recusal of Chief Judge Glanville. This is very, very important. Now, this was also filed at 4:43. So it was before the motion of Rachel Krause. Rachel, like, look, I'm about to get down to business. I need to do it. Doug said, hold up. I want the entire Fulton County Superior Court judges recused, disqualified. Why is that? I mean, there is a brotherhood, sisterhood, a lawhood when it comes to judges. Everybody know each other. Everybody know everybody. And so this is the thing. The thing is, and this makes sense to me, is that you're in Fulton County, you're a Superior Court judge. I'm the chief judge. It is highly unlikely that another judge will recuse the chief judge. I mean, let's just keep it a beat. It's highly unlikely. It is highly unlikely because everybody knows everybody is personal. And on top of that, what is everybody saying about Fulton County? What's the word that everybody is using about Fulton County? Corruption. It's corruption. It's a lot of corruption there. So because there is a lot of corruption and it's a stain of corruption that's going on, like Doug Weinstein said, there's a heaviness that's going on in the court. I want to disqualify all the judges from ruling on recusal of Chief Glanville. Let's go ahead and take a look at this. It says the defendant, Mr. Diamante Kendrick, by and through his undersigned counsel, without waiving any other rights to which he is entitled, files this motion to disqualify Fulton County Superior Court judges from ruling on recusal of Chief Judge Glanville, stating the following. Following a motion to recuse filed by Kendrick on June 12, 2024, Chief Judge Glanville subsequently entered an order of recusal on July 1st, directing that Kendrick's recusal motion, as well as two others, be heard by another judge pursuant to Uniform Superior Court Rule 25.1 et sec. It says, based on this Odyssey system, utilized by the clerk of Fulton County, Judge Rachel Krause of Fulton County Superior Court has been assigned to hear Kendrick's recusal motion. Based on guidance by our Court of Appeals and at least one opinion of the Judicial Qualification Commission, it is inappropriate for any trial court judge to preside in an action wherein one of the parties holds a judicial office on the same or any other court which sits in the same circuit. So, and they have a case citing. So what is that saying? It's basically saying, look, this is inappropriate for all of us to be in the same room. We all work for the same people. And then you do something. I got your back. You got mine. And now you want me to rule either against you or for you. When we have personal relationship. In other words, conflict of interest. All right. Our Court of Appeals termed this a bright line rule to avoid even the appearance of impropriety. Judge Krause and any other judge within Fulton County should recuse from hearing Kendrick's recusal motion. Of note, in the companion case of Kendrick versus CJ Glanville, the Honorable Judge Belinda E. Edwards Suaspante recused herself today, July 2nd, 2024, from the petition for a writ of mandamus. This was in keeping with the guidance of Georgia Transmission and JQC Opinion 220. Wherefore, Mr. Kendrick respectfully requests that Judge Krause and any other judge within Fulton County recuse themselves from hearing Kendrick's motion on recusal and facilitate such actions as necessary to have the motion heard by a judge outside of Fulton County Superior Court, July 2nd, 2024, respectfully submitted by your boy Dougie Dub, Douglas S. Weinstein. Okay. This is huge, man. So what we have is we have Krause saying, hey, obviously she didn't know that was filed yet. She said, listen, I got this case. I'm going to go ahead and submit the fact that I need these motions given to me immediately. Doug Weinstein was already ahead of her. Like, yo, this is going to be beyond you, baby girl. We want all of y'all gone. We don't want any type of impropriety. We don't want any type of conflict of interest. We don't want any type of inappropriate behavior or inappropriate biases. Because that is your boy, Chief Judge Glanville, Schleimville. And so because of that, we want to make sure that we have a fair motion of recusal hearing. We don't want any judge in Fulton County in the whole circuit of Fulton County, no judges at all. We don't want none of them to be a part of the process of recusing Judge Glanville. So the reason why this case, this trial is on pause is because they need to find, or it's seeing that this motion is granted. We got to see if this motion will be granted. And it seems like it might be. This will be very, very interesting because I'm telling you, the fact that they're in the same circuit and they want someone in the same circuit to actually do the hearing of the recusal, to actually review and rule on the recusal of the chief judge, it don't make no sense at all. And I think Doug Weinstein, first of all, he did a fine job of making sure that Glanville never released or never ruled his own motion against him to recuse himself. He did a fine job in that by bypassing the Court of Appeals straight to the Supreme Court so they could kick it back to him that way. However, Glanville said, okay, go ahead, man. You go ahead, you know what I'm saying? Because all it's going to do is go to another judge in the same circuit. So I'm straight. I'll let you have it. Oh, but right after that, right after that, Weinstein said, nope, not in the same circuit. You're not going to have another judge in the same circuit rule against you. We're going to get a judge outside of this circuit, outside of this district, outside of this county. That's the motion. He filed that yesterday at 4:43 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And yo, I want to know what your thoughts are. Hey, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, man. Ride with your boy Tay Biz TV, yo, man. We do a lot of things over here. We're gonna be doing a lot of things over here, starting off, man. But this right here, I'm telling you, this is absolutely has been a motion show. it's been an e-file mania show. I'm telling you, it's been pound for pound one of the best back and forths in court I've seen in a very, very long time. And as soon as the state think they got one up on the defense got something else to counterpunch. So I think this is going to be, I think they need to go ahead and recuse all the judges. I agree with Doug Weinstein. I think all the judges need to be recused. The entire Fulton County needs to be recused. So that way there is no funny business at all, because it's already bad enough that they got it out for your boy Thug. They do. And the transcript, go to my other video. I'm gonna at the end of this video, you'll see the link to get to that video. I read the whole transcript. I'm telling you, the way they force immunity on this young man is absolutely crazy. You know what I'm saying? So the state think they're doing something, but the defense is like, nope, we got something for you. So go ahead, hit the like button, share your comments below. Tell me what you think about this. You know what I'm saying? And let me know what you think about the entire trial in general, you know, because a lot of times people have biases and people have fair looks at things. People have objective looks at things, but it is what it is. You can plainly see that there is some corruption going on, and and the transcript is not technically redacted, but a lot of people are saying something's missing. Something's not right, especially the time frames between Caleb Bumpus talking to Copeland, and then all of a sudden when they come back, he ready to testify. I wonder what Kayla said to Woody, because he was ready to testify after he asked all those questions to make sure that he don't go to jail for a long time. And they said by the end of the whole trial with the defendants and everything, I wonder what she said in that small 36-minute of empty space right there, because whatever was said and discussed, when Judge came back, he made a decision to testify. And so you will see in the transcript Miss Love forcing it, Miss Hilton forcing it. We gave him immunity, all this kind of stuff. It's a lot of stuff going on. It should have been a mistrial from the beginning, really. Even Miss Love's opening statement was a leading opening statement. So even that was a mistrial right off rip, but they still let it go. But let me know what you think in the comments. This is your boy Tay Biz TV. I'm gonna holler at y'all in a minute. Hey, enjoy your 4th. Peace.